Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. In the previous chapter, in the previous video, we were discussing the chapter The Snake and the Mirror. Let's continue with the chapter. So all of you open your page number 58, ninth paragraph. We were on ninth paragraph. It seemed as if God appreciated that the snake turned its head. It took it looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into a mirror, but it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow and mascara or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? So here in the story, the narrator says that while Snake was facing towards him, he he started thinking that he is foolish doctor, as he do not have any medicine at home. He do not know what he has to do now. So while he was thinking himself as a stupid, the snake turned his head towards the mirror, and the narrator is saying that perhaps the god appreciated that doctor thought himself of fully. So the snake turned his head and started looking into the mirror, and now narrator is saying that he is not claiming that it was the first snake who saw himself or herself in the mirror, but it was certain that the snake was narrator was sure that he was looking to he was looking himself in the mirror, but he was looking himself in the mirror, and the snake was admiring his beauty, was trying to make an and the narrator says that in the same manner the snake looked himself into the mirror as if he was also making an important decision about growing a mustache or using eyeshadow or mascara. Means snake was also seeing himself in the mirror and thinking that and trying to enhance its beauty while applying eyeshadow, mascara और vermilion spot, that means बिंदी अपने माथे पे लगाने के लिए. I did not know anything for certain. What sex was this snake? Was it male or female? I never know, for a snake unwound itself from my arm and slowly slithered into my lap. From there it crept onto the table and moved towards the mirror. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters. I was no mere image cut in granite. I was suddenly a man of flesh and blood, still holding my breath. I got up from the chair. I quickly went out through the door into the veranda. From there I leapt into the yard and ran for all I was worth. Now the homeopath doctor is saying, now the narrator is saying that after seeing its reflection, after snake saw its reflection into the mirror, the snake came down in his lap, and from there snake came down to the table, and perhaps the snake wanted to enjoy its beauty from nearer. So the snake started looking himself in the mirror, and now when the snake left the doctor, doctor was no more a statue. He just got up from the chair and silently he went into the veranda, and from there he jumped into the yard and ran all he was what, means अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा करके वो दौड़ के भाग गया. Phew, each of us had a sigh of relief. Somebody asked, doctor, is your wife very fat? तो अब लोगों ने चैन की सांस ली. जब डॉक्टर ने स्टोरी को कंटिन्यू किया, फिर वहाँ पे बताया कि एट लास्ट जब उस स्नेक ने हाथ पे लपेटा मारा हुआ था, उसके बाद छोड़ करके वो टेबल पे चला गया और डॉक्टर उठ के भाग गया, तो सारे स्टोरी सुनने वालों ने चैन की सांस ली। और उसमें से किसी ने पूछा कि क्या डॉक्टर, क्या आपकी वाइफ वाकई बहुत मोटी है? तो डॉक्टर बोलते हैं, नो, द डॉक्टर सेड गॉड विल्ड अदरवाइज, माई लाइफ कंपेनियन इज थिन रीडी पर्सन विद अ गिफ्ट ऑफ अ स्प्रिंटर। समवन एल्स आस्क्ड डॉक्टर, व्हेन यू रैन डिड द स्नेक फॉलो यू? तो डॉक्टर बोलते कि नहीं, मेरी वाइफ बिल्कुल भी फैट नहीं है, और ऊपर वाले ने शायद, भगवान जी ने शायद उसके लिए उल्टा ही सोच के रखा हुआ था। और जो उसकी लाइफ पार्टनर है वो गिफ्ट है, मतलब स्प्रिंटर मीन्स शी रन्स वेरी फास्ट एंड शी इज़ वेरी थिन स्लिम ट्रिम। सो समवन एल्स आस्क्ड, फिर किसी और ने पूछा डॉक्टर से, डॉक्टर व्हेन यू रैन डिड द स्नेक फॉलो यू? जब आप भागे तो क्या स्नेक ने आपको फॉलो किया? तो नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, sorry, next page. Coming to the next page, the doctor replied, I ran and ran till I reached a friend's house. तो डॉक्टर बोलते हैं कि मैं भागा, और मैं तब तक भागा जब तक कि मैं अपने एक दोस्त के घर नहीं पहुंची. Immediately I simmered oil all over myself and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. The next morning at about 8:30, I took my friend and one or two other to my room to move my things from there. But we found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. The room had been cleared out, but not really. The thief had left behind one thing as a final insult. Now finally the doctor says that he ran so fast, and he ran till he reached his friend's house, and there he applied oil onto his body, and then he took a bath and changed his clothes. Next morning at 8:30 he went with his friend to his house to move away the things he had in his house. But he ran when he ran up in the night, when he ran away from his house, he did not close the room. So the thieves have taken over all the things, and they left only one thing as an insult for a doctor. And what was that thing? That was the vest of doctor. The doctor said, my vest, the dirty one, that was dirty. The fellow had such a sense of cleanliness. Now the doctor is saying that the thieves were having the sense of cleanliness. They did not took his dirty vest. The rascal could have taken it and used it after washing it with soap and water. Now the doctor is saying the thieves were rascals, as they would have taken, when they took everything, then they would also have taken the vest and washed it with the help of soap and water, and then they have used it. Did you see the snake next day, doctor? The doctor laughed. तो किसी ने पूछा डॉक्टर से कि क्या आपने सांप को दूसरे दिन देखा? तो डॉक्टर हंसने लगा. I have never seen it since. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. और डॉक्टर बोलता है कि मैंने उसके बाद कभी भी सांप नहीं देखा, और वो सांप जो था, जो the snake which was taken away with its own beauty, means the snake was very much admired of his own beauty. So really it's a funny story, that it's a funny incident that took place with the doctor. Now I have completed the chapter. If anybody have any doubt, you can ask me in Zoom classes. Thank you.